Today I'm gonna show you my
Your what?
my
Nah.
not TVC tits.
Okay, good. All right. So what do we have here?
So I'm
We have. Who are the wise men right here? Show me.
the wise man.
Yes.
Okay. So we got Billy,
Mm-hmm.
scissor hands
Mm-hmm.
with a tiger,
Okay.
sticky tongue tiger,
Okay.
and the crow with a pole bear.
Mm-hmm.
Pinhead with a dinosaur.
Mm-hmm.
Negan with a two-headed dragon.
Mm-hmm. Who's Negan talking to?
Hopper, and Hopper's talking to Negan.
Okay. So what else do we have here?
Old-fashioned Santa.
Mm-hmm. Who's next to him?
Waldo, Jose
Mm-hmm.
with a decorated Christmas tree.
Mm-hmm.
Frylock, Meatwad, Master Shake,
Who else do we have?
Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, and you see that tree over there?
Yeah, that one's got snow on it.
So that, and this one has it decorated,
Okay.
and that was
So
not.
what else do we have?
Creepy doll head, and I can put my finger in his eyeball. Ah!
All right. What else do we have? Who's over here?
Well, Buddy
Yeah, he's playing the guitar.
with
that?
R2D2.
Yeah. And who else do we have?
We got a pirate
Mm-hmm.
with treasure in its box.
Yeah.
And we got two minions,
And that is.
Tinkerbell,
And
and
you forgot
Fly,
Slappy.
and Slappy, and flying spaghetti monster. Bye.
And that is your nativity set.
Bye.